Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm gonna show you my setup for my camera M50. And this is the beautiful M50 camera, which it's one of the latest acquisitions I had for the channel, and I'm very happy with the channel. Is it the best camera? No, it's not, but it's the one I could afford. I bought it second-hand, and I bought it with this lens, which is the kit lens, the 15-45. I also have the Nifty 50, and I also have the 22 lens. I have this cage. This one is from Feixiao, which I'll show you why we have a cage. We have a side handle from Small Rig. We have a top handle from someone in China. Latest acquisitions, I bought this mini shotgun mic also from China. I have these two Sony NPF 770 batteries, which are a little bit different from the traditional ones, which I'll show you in a while. I have the adapter for the NPF and ND filter, variable ND filter from KNF Concept. I'm not very happy with it, but it's the only one I have. It's ND2 to ND400. This is a dummy cell phone, because the one I used is the one which is recording now, so I'm going to exemplify with this one, but it's not the one I use most of the time. This is the adapter for that phone, but this is very important. It's the 10 cents coin that it's very helpful to tighten up the screws and remove the screws. And I have this little pouch here with a bunch of screws and things that I need to unscrew things. I also have this base plate from it's a Manfrotto kind, so which I also bought in China. Everything comes from AliExpress, so if you want this material, everything is in the AliExpress. So I have this one, and on this box here I have the original batteries for the Canon M50 with nothing else interesting, just the original batteries there, which I don't use because I do use here. I'm going to show you a dummy battery. Okay, this battery here is just a dummy. I power my M50 with this big battery, and with this big battery I have 5 times more recording time than with the normal batteries. So let's okay, I forgot this box, this pouch here. It's where I have cables. Okay, little duct tape, and all the adapters go on this box. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to give you a little bit space, and we're going to start from the beginning. So the first thing hits the M50 and the battery dummy. Then we pick up the cage. Okay, you pick up what cage you want. I have this one from like I said, it's from Feixiao, Chinese, from China. I have no idea, but it works. I don't need the Small Rig one. I have this one, which is perfectly. Then we use this coin here, and we screw here on the bottom. Make sure it is tight, it doesn't move. Okay, and now I have an M50 with the ability to insert more gadgets on it with all these screws. So you have sorry, the caps fall down. So you have big holes. I don't know the size is 1/4 and 2/8 or something like that. So, but I don't care about that. Now I have these big holes. What I can do, this cage, it comes with a good handle on the right hand, but it doesn't have any handles here. It's very different to hold the camera like this. So I decided I would buy another handle. This one is from Small Rig. Okay, so you just screw this in place like this, here and here, very easily. Okay, then you have to tighten it a little bit better, but this is just demonstration. And now I have a better grip with my my camera. As you can see, it's much easier to handle. Then I have this cable, which is for the dummy battery. So I just pass the cable through here, down here, connect to the battery. Done. Then slide it over here on the front and press it to this gap here, and I will be able to connect to the batteries when it's there. But before, I'm going to put this base it's a quick release Manfrotto style. So I just put it in place. I point the screw on place and give it a little bit, tighten it. Okay, put it where I want, something like there. Pick up the coin and finish. Oops. And then I just finish the process. Let me see if it is straight. And there it goes, the coin. And now it is tightened and straight. Okay. And now I just put this on any tripod that you want. If you have several tripods, you put on several tripods, and then you just, every time you put here. This is a safety button, okay? If you want to remove the camera, you just press this button, it comes off. You just slide the camera on, tighten here, and it won't go anywhere. So you just untighten and remove, because I don't need that anymore. And now I pick up this is the NPF adapter. I have two ways to attach this, so I'm going to show you both of them. First one, it's here. I put here, this is a screw. It has two screws on both sides, the same dimension. I don't know the dimensions, and I just bought it also in China. And just screw here this adapter. Then I pick up these batteries. Okay, I have battery A and battery B. This is just a label because so I can know which battery I'm using. And I just connect here on the back, exactly like this. And now the camera, it is powered on. So we have power on the camera. I just have to remove this and remove the cap. So you see the battery, the camera, it is working, everything is working fine. So it is powered on. So I just power off now. And another option that I have, it's also this top handle, which is very useful. If I want to do low shots, so I just put it in place, tighten it up, also like this, very easy. And now I can use this camera to record low shots very easy with this top handle. And another thing that this top handle gives me, it gives me the possibility of putting this battery on another place, which is the second option. And for that I need this, and I need, where it is? It's here. This comes with the battery, okay? This is an L-shaped bracket, but I just bend it a little bit. So if you put like this, then I can use this cold shoe mount here. And now I have the battery on the back, and I have more space free here. With this space free here, I can either do, for instance, I can put this here. Okay, I just realized this. I can put this here. Usually I don't use it here. I use it here on the front, but I just realized it. Okay, gonna stay here. Maybe not. Okay, maybe it's not gonna stay there because it needs a counter. Okay, so I'm not gonna put it there. I'm gonna put it where I used to put, which is here on the front. And done. Tighten it up, put it up, and I use, this is the fake phone, so I just use like this, and I connect this phone to the camera, and I have a monitor on the phone. On this side, now I can try, this is the new mini shotgun mic that I bought, which I can put here if I want. I have a cold shoe here, okay? Then I just need to connect it to the camera, which I have here. The cables, they supply the cables also. ND filter, it's quite simple. You can put ND filter on the front of the lens if you want. It's very simple. So I'm just going to put it, so just to show you. You just and done. Okay. Now it's with ND filter, but usually ND it's used when it's a sunny day. And as you can see, now I have a professional setup. Okay, only things missing, it's the cables to connect here to the camera and connect the microphone to the camera, but this is just a demonstration, so I just wanted to show you how my setup looks once I finish everything. Once I finish everything, like I just remove this from here, put it aside. I remove the monitor from the stand here. I remove this adapter. I disconnect the batteries. I remove this NPF battery from here, and of course I remove the ND filter, put it in place, and this top handle, I don't need it, and remove. And this is my basic setup. If I want something basic without all these fancy things, this is all I need. I can always record like this without any problem. This is my basic setup. One thing I was going to show you, it was this NPF batteries from Sony, not from Sony, but compatible with Sony. They are nice because we have an input here. They are charged via USB, okay, with a micro USB charge. But the good thing is that we have an output on the other side. And with this output on this side, we can power both camera, and in this case I can power my cell phone also, or another device that you need while you are recording. So it's quite good. So you have it can charge two things at the same time, and since it is 5200 milliamps, at least from my experience, I can have 3 hours with two devices connected to the battery. And also you have a charge indicator here on the top, empty from full, so you always know when it is full charge or not. And basically, guys, this is my setup. I really hope that you liked my setup. If you have any question, please feel free to put your comments down below. I will try to answer as best as I can. If you like this video, subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, which will give you the information when I release new videos, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!